It's my life. It's my life. Where are you go? Where are you stay? I've made up my mind that I will never regret.
Hello guys, Mega Milga Love Shot everyone. It's me, Baby Pink TV. Guys, mag-shoutout lang tayo ng short message sa ating admin na si Bro Herman Solutions na very supportive na admin sa Team Stili Ka Umay Family. Happy birthday sa iyo, bro. More birthdays to come. Stay safe always and God bless to you and to your family. Have a nice day everyone. Bye.
Tenant! Ayun, shout out guys. So, good morning sa inyo. Happy Wednesday. Patayin ko lang si Lodi, admin, admin Jim Basadre. Wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday to you, no? So, this is Kelvin Channel. Wish you all the best in life. And I hope na tapad mo na yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, kung ano man yan. And then, syempre, dapat magkaroon ka ng good health. Napaka-importante yan sa buhay natin. Good health and long life. And syempre, enjoy your day. It's your birthday. You know, tagay-tagay na. Anyway, ayun lang masasabi ko. Salamat sa pag-invite sa mga team. Sa team Tropapits, and sa Eddie Ka Umay. And done. So, sa lahat ng teams, salamat. And sa ating Times Jupiter, shout out sa inyo dyan. Ma'am Kay. Yan, Sir Jim Basadre, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life. God bless and more birthday to come. This is Kelvin Channel, guys. Once again, pasok na ako sa trabaho. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sir Jean. More birthdays to come and God bless. Bye. Hello everybody, this is Anne of the Condos Fam Vlog and I'm here to give a simple birthday greeting to Sir Jim. Sir Jim, happy birthday po sa inyo. Ang kanyang pong YT channel ay dalawa. Aloysius, James, at saka po Hermanians Aloysius. Please support po Sir Jim Basadre. Tama po ba? Yung last name. Aming pong admin founder ng Team Tropapits. Thank you so much po, sir, for giving me this opportunity to give you a birthday greeting, and I hope that you will have more birthdays to come. And sana po maging healthy, safe kayo palagi kung nasan man po kayo, at lagi ko po kayong isasama sa aking mga prayers. Trust in God lang po, at lahat po ng gusto po natin na mangyari sa buhay with prayers and right attitude po ay makakamtan natin. Ano ba yun? Ayun sir, happy birthday po, at tama na po yung paghugot. Yung mga hugot lang siya ay tama na po. Bawas-bawasan na po natin. Hayaan niyo po ang love na mag-find ng way papunta sa inyo. Huwag niyo na pong hanapin. Minsan mas magandang hindi hinahanap. Yung kusa na lang siyang darating. At huwag po kayong mag-alala. Sama ko po yan sa pagdasal na makahanap kayo ng inyong forever. Thank you, sir, and mag-ingat po palagi. At God bless. Bye po. Happy birthday to Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy.
Happy birthday, Tita Jane. God bless. Bye.
Happy birthday, founder! Maraming salamat and more birthday to come.
Happy birthday po. Salamat sa inyo.
And, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come, admin. Founder, maraming salamat.
Happy birthday po.
Hello guys! Isang mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. Ako po si Elsa Mercadero from YouTube channel World. Gusto ko lang batiin ang aming butihing admin, si Sir Hermanian Aloysan, or James Adrister. Happy birthday po. Alam ko po, mahirap maging admin, pero ginanapan mo po lahat. Parang isang malaking responsable na kaming lahat hinahawakan mo bilang kapatid, kapuso, kapamilya. Kaya, thank you so much sa YouTuber. Hindi man tayo nakikita-kita ng personal, pero ramdam po namin ang love and care to us. So, for God listener, maraming salamat po sa suporta sa bawat isa. Hindi easy maging admin, pero sa awa ng Diyos, iyon nagaganapan mo. Kaya thank you very much for the YouTube world. Happy birthday again. And more God bless. Thank you very much. Happy birthday.
Hello kapatid ko. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and a happy life and more blessings to come. And again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and ingat.
Hello! Good morning, people working in the world. Kawaiti friend dyan. At may babatiin lang ako. Si Sir James Aloysan. Today is his birthday. And babatiin lang natin. Happy birthday, sir. More birthday to come. And enjoy your day and celebrate ano ba yan? Nakalimot lang po. Hi! Hello all team in Whitey World, Whitey Friend. May babatiin lang tayo isa sa buutan, makugihanon na si Sir James Aloysan. Karon iyang birthday. Happy birthday, sir. More birthday to come and enjoy your birthday and always good health and more blessings to come. Padayon lang ang imuhang pagka maayhon, makugihanon, mapapasensyahonon. Yun lang. Laging mag-iingat dyan kung saan man ikaw naroon. And be humble. God bless. Happy birthday, sir. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lois James. Wish you all the best. Good luck to your YT career. Sana marami pang taon na darating sa buhay mo at lahat ng plano mo at sana'y matupad at makasama mo yung mahal sa buhay. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Herman Aloysian. Yes, everyone, shout out sa lahat ng mga viewers. Ano daw? Happy birthday, Kuya. And wish ko sa'yo ay more abundant life and good health, syempre. And wag kang bumitaw, always lagi kay God, kay Puon. I call him Puon. So, ayun. Happy birthday, enjoy your day. Kahit medyo late, enjoy ka pa din. And stay safe always. Sana, pagka bakasyon ko, magkita tayo since nasa Mindanao again. I'm going to stay there in Mindanao. So, ayun. Happy birthday! And napilit mo talaga ako. Ayun, happy birthday kaya yun. Pray always. Alam mo yung minimin ko. Pray always. Huwag kang bumitaw sa kanya kahit anong pagsubok. Lagi kang tumawag sa kanya. Happy birthday again. Tara, sayaw na.
Happy birthday! Salamat! 40. May kandila.